That's the line between chaos and order that you're supposed to be on constantly, right? It's a very, very thin line, because if you're a little bit too far in one direction, then it's too much chaos, and if you're a little too far in the other direction, then it's too much order. And both of those aren't good. The balance has to be exactly right. And you can feel that, and I truly believe you can feel that, and I think it's your deepest instinct. When you feel as if you're meaningfully engaged in the world, when the terror of your mortality strips away, and you're engaged, and it's timeless. That's the deepest instinct you have, telling you that you're in the right place at the right time. And then what you do is practice being there.